here we are driving through Volcanoes National Park. There are a bunch of lava fields right now, which is kind of crazy, and we've seen a lot of smoke plumes.
Yeah, we're on our way to the trailhead to hike through these lava fields to a backcountry campsite where we're going to stay overnight and then continue on the next day, and it's a pretty dramatic landscape here.
Most visitors to Hawaii's Big Island stay at hotel resorts and hang out at the beach, but we wanted to go on an adventure, backpacking for 3 days through Volcanoes National Park. The park includes two of the world's most active volcanoes, Kilauea and Mauna Loa, which are still increasing the size of Hawaii by spewing molten lava.
We're here in the Big Island of Hawaii, and we're about to head off to the Apua, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Apua campground, across this crazy lava field. What do you think?
I'm really excited. I'm nervous. There are a lot of unknown variables in this trip, so I hope everything goes well.
I love studying maps to create my own hiking routes, and when we decided to fly to Hawaii's Big Island to visit Volcanoes National Park, I designed a 3-day backpacking loop nearly 40 miles long with over 6,000 feet of climbing. My route linked 4 trails in the park: the Nāpau and Nāulu trails, the Puna Coast trail, and the Keauhou Trail. For our first day, we planned to hike 11 miles on the Nāpau Trail to visit the Mauna volcano and then head into the lush Hawaiian rainforest to a backcountry camp perched on the side of the Nāpau volcano crater.
I'll show you my world.
We've been hiking along the Nāpau Trail here, and we've come across Nāulu, which is the volcano that created these crazy lava fields behind us.
Apparently there's a really great view up there, so we're gonna go check it out.
There's all this hot steam everywhere, and it's really windy, so it's super scary to be near the edge because it seems like we're gonna blow in and fall over.
And it's warm, like the ground is warm. And as you get closer to it, it's like hot in there. I mean,
It's a volcano.
yeah, but it's really kind of creepy to be close enough to tell.
I'm not usually scared of things, and this freaks me out because you're just like right on the precipice of like a death trap.
At all for this. It's really windy, and that is so deep, like the deepest thing I've ever seen. Like, I can't even get that close to it. It's weirdly scary. Like, I'm really freaked out right now.
Opening in the earth is just has so much hot air coming out of it. It's crazy. It's so hot.
It's like hotter than a steam room, huh? Like it's
Scary. It's morning here at Nāpau Campground, and it's drizzling a little bit. There's no one else here. We camped on top of the volcano last night. Very cool.
It's really pretty here. I'm really tired, even though we slept for like 100 days.
Okay, we finally got out of bed. We packed up the tent, and now we're doing day 2. We're gonna hike to the opening of the crater, and then we're going to hike along the coast. We're here at the Nāpau Crater. What do you think?
It's really crazy. There is a lot of steam coming from the bottom of it, and we're really high up on this ledge. And once again, it's windy. It's pretty nuts.
For our second day, we plan to hike 18 miles, leaving the rainforest and traveling across expansive lava fields, over lava rivers and channels, until reaching our second campsite on a black sand beach at Apua Point.
Excited to get out of this rain. This place is gorgeous and like so lush, but it's because it rains all the time here, so.
It's pretty rainy. We don't think it'll be raining at the beach though. We discovered a road right in the middle of like this forest and all these lava fields, and as we walk on it you can see that there's painted lines. This must have been some park road.
Volcanoes National Park's Chain of Craters Road was built in 1928 in the shadow of the most massive mountain on Earth, the Mauna Loa volcano, which stands 27,000 feet higher than Mount Everest when measured from the seafloor. But in 1969, volcano eruptions partially buried Chain of Craters Road in lava. In 1979, the road was rerouted and reopened, but remnants of the old route can still be found in the park.
It's a little eerie and creepy that all of a sudden, like, we haven't seen really any signs of civilization in a few days, and then now there's just this road that's half washed out with lava. It sort of seems like the volcano disturbed daily life in a kind of creepy way, I don't know.
So we've made it down to the coast here, and now we're gonna hike to Apua Point.
Yeah, feels really good. It's very beachy and gorgeous, so let's go hiking. We just are passing a sign, and we're reminded of what they sorry, the wind is really crazy. We're reminded of what the park ranger told us, which was that if we feel an earthquake, we have to immediately start moving towards the uphill places. But we've been hiking for several hours into this flat lava field, so I just think unless there was a really large stretch of time in between the earthquake and the resulting tsunami, we're probably just
and we set up this really cool campsite just right here on the beach, a protection wall to try to avoid the crazy wind that's out here. Parker, what are you doing? Wait.
the coconut that just fell on the ground really recently, trying to open it up. We've been throwing it against some rocks, and now there's a nice crack. Oh my gosh, it's coming out, but where can I drink it? I'm trying to drink the coconut milk and then open it up for the meat. It's working out. You want some?
Mmm, it's good.
Don't drink it all.
We're at Apua Point, and it's the morning of day 3.
It's really awesome, totally gorgeous here. We're about to hike out.
On our last day, we expected to hike 10 miles on the Keauhou Trail, tackling a steep 3,000-foot climb to get back to our car.
But it's sad to be leaving this beautiful beach.
I want to stay here for like 8 more days.
Head for the sun, follow your foot.
Jeez. So this is one of the most varied 3-day hiking trips I've ever been on because we've hiked through basically tropical rainforest and then across old lava fields and new lava fields of dried lava. And then last night we made it to like a beach environment covered in succulents and igneous rock. And now we're on like a thing that is kind of like the lava fields we were on, but it's covered in really high grass. How are things going?
I'm really tired.
Because it's so steep, I'm very, very tired too. But we only have about 3 miles to go, less, 2.5 miles to go. We're gonna make it. We made it! How do you feel?
Show you my world. Show you the world, darling. Let's leave it all behind. We'll keep the sun shining and let it tell the time. Anywhere you wanna go.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see where I go next.
We're eating Hawaiian poke. How is it? I haven't got to try one.